two of the biggest names in online legal help, Rocket Lawyer and JustAnswer, go head-to-head. Which one really delivers? On the left, Rocket Lawyer, offering unlimited legal documents and advice. And on the right, JustAnswer, connecting you with real lawyers for instant answers 24/7. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, so you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might just surprise you. Alright, here what we're gonna look at. I've mapped out the categories so you can see exactly how these sites stack up. We've got price, legal services offered, live attorney access, customer reviews, and best use case. Let's dig into each so you get the full picture. First up, price. Rocket Lawyer does a subscription thing so you get unlimited documents, kinda like Netflix but for legal forms. Plus, there's even a free trial, which always feels nice, right? But you do have to pay every month if you want that unlimited access, so if you're not using it all the time, is it worth it? JustAnswer is more à la carte. You pay per legal question, so if you just have a random issue, super convenient and no tie-downs to a subscription, which we love. But honestly, reviews are mixed about how much bang you get for your buck, and if you actually want more than one answer, you might end up on a subscription anyway. So overall, Rocket Lawyer edges ahead if you need frequent help or lots of documents. Okay, now let's talk about what each service actually delivers. Legal services offered. With Rocket Lawyer, you can literally create legally binding contracts, wills, start a business, the works. And advice comes with the membership, so it's pretty legit. The catch? If you need a lawyer to fight for you in court, nope, that's not really part of the deal. Think of it as DIY but pro-guided. Then with JustAnswer, you're getting fast answers to your legal questions, yeah, day or night, but you don't get any actual documents or filings done. Plus, sometimes it's a little, mysterious how qualified the lawyers really are. So if you want full-on legal paperwork handled, Rocket Lawyer blows it out of the water. Onto live attorney access, which I mean is seriously important. With Rocket Lawyer, you can submit questions and get responses from verified attorneys, and some consultation time comes with your membership. It's nice, but the interaction isn't super deep, like you're chatting, not getting a whole legal strategy. For JustAnswer, you can chat right away, 24/7 through text or email, which is actually crazy convenient if you're stressed about something late at night. One catch though, the chats might be short and sometimes you're wondering, is this lawyer legit? Both have their quirks, but honestly, for quick contact, either works, so it's a straight-up tie. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know? Rocket Lawyer has helped create over 30 million legal documents since 2008. That is a crazy amount of paperwork sorted out online. How about customer reviews? Rocket Lawyer usually gets solid ratings for reliability. People actually trust it, and it's been used by millions. Some do gripe that lawyer access could go deeper, like more handholding, but overall it's seen as pretty dependable. For JustAnswer, it's a mixed bag. It's fast and super convenient, yes, but people sometimes question how trustworthy the lawyers are or aren't sure the advice is 100% on point. If trust and reputation matter to you, Rocket Lawyer's got the edge. Let's wrap with best use case. Rocket Lawyer, a total win for freelancers, business owners, anyone who's gotta whip up contracts or legal docs all the time. If you need something quick and low-key though, like, should I sign this lease? Not always a perfect fit for those one-off questions. But JustAnswer, it's kind of the hero for super fast answers for personal legal stuff, but if you need big documents or real legal strategy, yeah, not its thing. So Rocket Lawyer takes it if you need more than just yes-no answers. If you look at the radar chart, Rocket Lawyer kinda stretches further overall, especially in services and trust, which is huge for anything legal. JustAnswer keeps up with access and speed, but some areas just aren't as strong. So, after breaking everything down, here's how I see it. Rocket Lawyer is your best bet if you want reliable legal documents and need advice more than just once in a blue moon. JustAnswer does shine for those I just need one quick legal answer right now moments, but if you're looking for full features and solid trust, Rocket Lawyer definitely comes out on top. If this legal showdown helped you out, totally check out both before making a pick. Remember to save or share this so you won't miss future guides when you need them.